Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma MG2520 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to add this printer in MacBook. Now first step is to switch on the printer and connect your printer with the USB data cable so that we can just add instantly and start using it. Go to your MacBook and open the printers and scanners, and you can open that by going to the system preferences and then click on the printers and scanners. And here we have to add the printer. For that we need to click on the plus button and it will show up your printer here. On the next window, select the MG2500 series, click on the add button. Instantly it will add up and you will see your printer is available here, and from here you can do the printing and scanning. So this way we can start using it. So overall I can say it is very easy to add this printer in your MacBook. Thanks for watching.